So I always think it's nice to listen to what your animals have to say. It's just keep in mind you don't have to do what they tell you to do, especially if it involves bloodshed. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. We hope you'll subscribe, share with your family and friends, ask your questions below in the comments. That's where you'll also find the recipes. We'll talk to you soon. Hope to see you again next time on Ozcapades or cockatails.